Good morning. Today we're in Algae, which is just outside Ambleside, and we're actually towards the end of July and it's peeing down with rain, but we've got a nice job to do. So it's an old traditional farmhouse that is now a private home, and you can see behind me it's a white painted render, and I'll show you around. So there's quite a bit of moss on here. Let's just get a bit closer. As you can see, there is quite a lot of moss, but generally the paintwork's in good order. There's a bit of missing paint at the top there, but not too bad. And so this is I think we're the 20th of July and it's peeing down with rain. So again, this side here, and the windowsills, bit of algae on there, got a lot of green algae here, mould at the bottom. Get round to this corner here, it's quite bad. This is really because of this tree here. So anywhere where there's trees and vegetation, generally you'll find that the algae is worse, where it's shaded as well from the sun. This gable end here, again, bit of paint missing, but not too bad order really, the paintwork. And then we'll go around to the front, step back a bit, yeah, so you can see. So slate window bottoms, but we'll clean all those as well. And again, it's looking bad at the front here because of this big tree up here. See. As we say, if the paint is in good order, then we can basically transform it. So our process for this is wet the walls first so that it doesn't take up too much chemical, and then we'll put a chemical on, we brush it on so that there's not too much overspray, and then we leave that on for about 45 minutes, and then we hot wash it off. So we use low pressure hot water. Again, you don't want to use high powered pressure washer because you can blast the paint off or the render off. So we use low pressure, and the system we've got in our van, we can turn the pressure down and we can turn the heat up as necessary. But this property will use 60-degree water, and then we'll put another treatment on it, and then a final rinse. This will take us, well, it's now 9 o'clock, we'll be done by lunchtime. Now, if they were going to paint it, it would probably take nearly a week to do. So that's the advantage really of having it soft washed. Okay. We finished this property now at Algae, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this is the gable end that had quite a lot of moss on it. So there were some areas that had paint missing, and then there's little bits of dead moss on there. I don't know whether you can see that, but so basically the moss, it goes white and that will drop off, but that's brightened up and will keep getting better as it dries out. And then the front, so all this was particularly bad. So this box here, all around here, because of it shaded from the tree, it was really quite green. But now that's cleaned up well. And then it was black down the bottom. And this will keep getting better as it fully dries out. So we normally say about a week or 10 days, week to 10 days, and it looks its best. The gable end here. Again, really bright. And this corner was bad. This corner was particularly bad. So pleased with that, and this has taken us about 4 hours, and as I say, to paint it would have most probably taken a good few days. So anybody wanting the property freshening up, if it's an Airbnb, or if they've got people coming and they want it doing quickly, then Softwashing is the way, really. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.